Hello, in front of me I have FITBIT Versa 2, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe down from the top of the screen, like this, and swipe down from the top of the screen again. This little panel will appear. Tap on the icon on the right to open the quick settings, and here we have this sun icon, the screen brightness icon. To change it or adjust the brightness, simply tap on the icon to cycle through the levels of brightness, like this. And once you're done, simply press the side button a few times to go back to home screen. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.